Morning comes. The jungle is calm and misty. Warm sunlight shines through green leaves. Inside the lodge, everything is quiet and peaceful.
Mom, Dad, wake up. It's adventure day.
Oh, good morning, Tom. I'm waking up now.
Good morning. I'm ready to get up.
I want to pack fast. I don't want to be late.
Good pack carefully. Tom, don't forget water.
Water bottles go into the backpack, ready for the trip.
My shoes are on. I'm ready. Let's go outside.
Yes, stay close to us, Tom.
Bright birds fly above the roof in the morning light. A jungle path leads you to a bus waiting in the trees.
Good morning. Welcome. Are you ready?
Hi, Javier. Yes, I'm super ready.
Good morning, Javier. Thank you for helping us.
The bus waits quietly, surrounded by the rainforest. The bus moves slowly on a narrow rainforest road.
Wow, the jungle is so big.
Look, Tom, those trees are very tall.
Green vines and leaves pass by the window. Tiny water drops slide down the glass. The bus stops near the forest entrance.
We are here.
Yes, hold my hand. Tom,
Follow me, everyone. Stay together.
A wooden sign marks the rainforest trail.
This path is like a secret road.
Yes, and we walk slowly and safely.
Huge trees stand like towers above the trail. Sunbeams shine down through the leaves.
This leaf is wet and cold.
Birds fly across the canopy with quick wings. The jungle looks endless and full of life. A waterfall appears far away, bright and beautiful.
I can see water.
yes, we are close now.
The river is clear and shiny like a mirror. Small animals drink water quietly at the edge.
I see fish. They are so fast.
Good job, Tom. Stay careful near the water.
The river flows deeper into the green jungle. Cool mist rises near the waterfall.
Mom, a rainbow.
Yes, Tom, it's so pretty. This view makes me happy.
We will walk beside the river now.
I like this path.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
Rocks and vines line the river like natural walls. The river disappears into thick forest ahead. Everyone pauses and enjoys the calm water. A giant tree stands in a quiet clearing. Something moves slowly in the high branches.
Look up. That is a sloth.
Wow, it's sleeping.
The sloth looks peaceful and warm.
It's very cute, but we stay quiet.
I will look with binoculars.
Butterflies dance in bright colors.
This is a nice rest.
Yes, sit here for a minute.
I want a snack now.
Small animals come closer, very quietly. Their eyes are curious, watching the food.
Oh no, my snack.
It's okay. I will handle it.
Come with me. Tom, step back slowly.
The animals move away, calm and peaceful.
That was funny.
Yes. They just wanted a bite.
Great job. Let's continue the trail.
The path opens into a wider, easy walk. Warm sunlight fills the clearing like a soft blanket. A quiet, jungle rest area appears ahead. A simple, wooden table waits with food. Banana, pancakes sit warm and golden.
Wow, pancakes. Let's eat together.
Yes, sit down, sweetie.
Fresh fruit looks bright and juicy. Steam rises slowly from warm food.
Please enjoy. This is for you.
Thank you, Javier. That's very kind.
This tastes so good.
I'm happy you like it, Tom.
The jungle feels calm during the meal. The waterfall is close, loud and powerful.
Look, a red-eyed tree frog.
I will look carefully.
Hold my hand. Tom, don't go too close.
Colorful birds fly over the water.
That is a quetzal bird. Very special.
It is beautiful. I love it.
A capuchin monkey holds fruit in its hands.
Wow. It eats like a little person.
The monkey jumps fast from branch to branch.
I heard sounds everywhere.
Yes, the jungle is full of life.
We walk deeper, but stay together.
The sun begins to go down slowly.
The light is warm now. It's very pretty.
Long shadows stretch across the trail. The forest grows darker and quieter. Fireflies appear one by one like tiny lights.
Wow, they look like stars.
A big ancient tree glows softly in the dark. Fireflies swirl and shine in the cool air.
I feel calm, Mom.
Me too. This is a special night.
This is the last stop. Let's head back now.
The glowing forest fades behind them like a dream. Above the jungle, the night sky shines bright and wide.